Hey everybody, Hub City RC here. Gonna do a couple laps with the old Zonda here. I just took it out, but then I realized I forgot to zoom in my video and all that good jazz. But anyway, running Z55s on each side, 6 each motor. Running a OSE, CNC, 46 mil I think. I think it's a 1.4 I think. Anyway, and I got the GPS in it. I know I didn't show you, but I ain't going for confirmed runs here. I'm just messing around. A little windy, so I'm trying to run downwind. Ooh, that got sketchy in a hurry. And I got a pretty good wind up here, so I am not going to go blazing upwind, because that's going to be flip over city. Well, ran out of real estate in a hurry, so I need to go a little further down. Had it pegged out for a minute. She ran pretty good today, I gotta say. I lowered my struts about a mil, if that. It's amazing how much difference that little change makes. It's still a little wet. I can still get it out of the water a little. I'm still on the back two sponsons, or the back two cutouts. I don't even think I've ever got on that back one by itself. It just sounds so sexy. I love that dual motor, man. That just sounds wicked. Bring her in, see what she did there. I love these kayak slips, man. It makes it so much easier to get boats in and out of the water. I don't have to put on my hot ass waders. Keep my mid-40s semi-orthopedic hiking shoes. God, dude. Getting old is all kinds of fun. Older. I'm not old, I'm 43. Alright. Let's see what's what. Alright. Oh, bad camera angle. Y'all get to see my ugly face for a second. Alright, let's pop the lid. I ran 65 on the Sonic Wake a minute ago, but I didn't get a reading. Not for y'all anyway, but I think that's a personal best for me. But running a Leopard 4082 and a 180 amp ESC, I don't think 65 is really bragging rights, but anyway. Let's see. So it looks like 66, which for a Zonda's kind of slow, but it's still fun. Anyway, I'm gonna unplug these, let everything cool down, but stuff's not even really hot. The batteries are a little warm, and we'll take a break. Anyway, coming back at you later.